So I'm going to manually bring up just my YouTube and my Twitch and just keep an eye on that. Just because, you know, I like the interaction with happy people. And I'll just tweak this really quickly. And awesome. Okay, cool. So here's the PR itself. I should probably take the work in progress tag off of this if it's getting close to the point that it's passing. Oh, cool. So this is exciting. Shane actually fixed the Kubernetes integration test issues that I was running into. That's amazing. Yay. The best kind of thing to come back to in a PR is a comment from someone else saying like, hey, I fixed your underlying issue. So that's amazing. So the other thing that I'm coming back to though is the like, hey, it has been literally months since you worked on this, so your pull request is hella out of date. And that's just the joys of life. We can see here that I merge rather than rebasing. And that's a matter of personal preference in the Spark project because everything gets squashed down. In other projects, since they'll actually take your branch and apply it on top, you know, they want you to rebase. But let's go ahead and check out this branch and we'll start that party. So, Spark. Okay. So let's go ahead and update the master. It'll be all kinds of fun. Okay, so not surprisingly, we have some merge conflicts. It has been literally months. Okay, set up integration test environment. Okay, the master has actually EX turned on, so that's good. We had that turned off because it was causing some issues. So let's take a look at what's happening inside of here. If Spark TGZ is NA and there's no image tag, build from current. This looks like the code that I wrote. That's cool. I'm a little bit worried that even Scala version. Okay, Scala version. Is that just not used anywhere? I feel like this is. And I want to keep it. Let me go look at my own code. So I introduced this inside of disable our build since it's not working, and also set Spark Scala version for the downstream build when building with Docker image and Scala 2.12. I think that's been fixed. Let's go take a look at that Docker file, see if it's Docker file. Yeah, I don't think the Scala version needs to be specified anymore. I think we're good here to just switch over to this, which is, I think, the code that I wrote elsewhere anyways. So that's cool, I think. Get diff. I don't think we need the Maven anymore then either, so we're going to go up here. Alright, and I'm going to just try and remind myself to keep an eye on YouTube and Twitch in case anyone wants to join in with some comments. Okay, cool. So back to our get diff. Okay, set up integration environment. Okay, cool. We'll take the master one. And so that's I manually commented it out. It's also been since commented out in the master, so we'll just do that since we don't need it. The spacing's not going to make a huge difference. Build Spark R image. Okay. So that's lovely. Alright, and now we're going to go to the Kubernetes suite. Kubernetes suite. Scala. So for now, what we're going to do is actually okay. We'll move secret suite down one. Something tells me this is going to be over 100. Okay, yeah. And then cool. Narrows it down. Okay, cool. Now there's an interval as well, so that's cool. We're going to need to merge that. We'll just I guess we'll put decommissioning test at the end after interval. So we'll just move this down here. Updating code is not one of the more exciting activities, but it's sort of the price that you pay for not keeping on top of your pull requests. In my case, it's very much the price that I pay for not keeping on top of my pull requests. Okay, and this one is going to be gnarly because the there's actually been a change under hood. Okay, so although actually it's not too bad. This isn't as gnarly as it could be. Yeah, so I think that's good. Okay. But we are going to want to sort of copy this interval over. So yeah, this is going to want to go back up here, back up at the top. It's going to be our patience interval. And then in the cases where we've got our interval, and so yeah, instead of this like all caps interval, it's just going to be patience interval. Patience interval, and then I think down here, yes, patience interval. Okay, and now we go ahead and get rid of this. Yeah, does that make sense? Yeah, because we've got our exec pod checker up here, and this is our timeouts, and then inside we still have the same logic. Okay, cool. So that's good. That's good. Okay, I think attempt to merge in master. Okay, I think this should be fine. But you know, as they say, famous last words. The Kubernetes -p Kubernetes integration tests. I think. Okay, cool. And so that'll kick off the build. Let's see if I'm running SBT. Yeah, I did a while ago, but that's okay. Whatever. That's fine. This will take a minute or two because there's a... oh, wait, that's weird. That's okay. Oh dear. This used to work. What am I doing wrong? Or is it dash capital B Kubernetes? Oh, if build SBT has changed. I've been away from this project for too long. It's been... okay, yeah, it's just... that's okay. So it's been long enough that we really probably do need to do a clean actually, so I want to make sure Kubernetes... cool, okay. And that's how I know the profile is active, because if it wasn't active, it wouldn't show up. Okay. So let's do clean compile, test compile. And that'll probably take a little bit of time, but that'll give us a good idea of if we succeeded at merging in master correctly, or, you know, if I screwed something up in the process. I think I have it kind of 50-50 odds, personally. I tend to screw things up a little bit now and again. Okay. That's good. That's good. Okay, this will take a bit of time for the build to start. I start to finish. And then if it's good, what we can do is we can push and we can see if Shane's fix to the CI system fix the issue. That would be lovely. Okay, cool. Except our Scala style is failing inside a core. Okay, I apparently screwed up the import order inside of my coarse-grained executor backend. Coarse-grained executor backend. Line 32. Lovely. Do I actually need Spark Hadoop util? Oh, I do. That's weird. Did I change anything inside of coarse-grained executor backend? Let's do a diff master coarse-grained executor backend. I did. Okay, so I put in this internal config. Yeah. Okay. So that's probably just the Spark Hadoop util. Probably. Okay, cool. We don't need to do clean again, so we can just do compile, test compile, and roll with that. It'll be all kinds of exciting fun. Okay, cool. Internal logging. Wait, what? Okay. I don't think that's in the wrong relative order, but I don't really care. Cool. Yeah, this looks like it's moved on out of core, so that's good. Means we fix those style issues, and it can just go ahead and rock on. Cool. This is good. This is good. That's lovely. Oh, I need to grab my phone actually, just in case. Just realized I left it somewhere. Be right back. Dear, I'm not entirely sure where I've left my phone. Well, thanks to the magic of computers, I can go ahead and check while this build is still running. Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay. This looks good, more or less. Oh yeah, I was gonna. Okay, except my computer is now. Oh, I forgot to run this in nice mode. That was a mistake on my part. Because running this, lovely. Okay, so looks like integration tests compile. Let's go ahead and just run devlin scala. And so we'll go ahead. That'll take a minute. Hopefully just a minute. Magic computer box, cooperate with me. Somewhat. Okay, fine. Turns out running devlin scala also makes my computer sound like it's going to take off. Okay, cool. Kubernetes suite line 259. That's great. Oh, actually, we already have that up. 259. What did I screw up? Shit. Sorry, arg count dot message. That's not very. Okay, arg. Arg count message. How many arguments are there here? Is that just saying I have too many arguments? Maybe not wrong. line 315. That one will hopefully give me something. Okay. Oh, I have unreasonable number of spaces. Okay, cool. That's great. Okay. So I guess, I mean, there's isJVM, applet. Can I get rid of any of these? Not really. So I did want to try and see if I could do something smarter, but I don't know what I'm doing. So I haven't seen this one before. Let's give it a shot. Boop. Scala style. Yeah. Okay. Hard count. Okay. I think it's okay since this is entirely inside of a test library that is not at all in any way public to disable that here. So that's just what we'll do. We'll just disable this style check. Okay. Go ahead and continue to run that. Lovely. Okay. I suspect. Oh, lovely. Okay, so it does compile. Oh. Well, my phone is in this room. It would appear that they left it on the stairs to my bed. Okay. Very exciting. Okay, so that's good. It's good to note. Fix minor style issues after merge. Okay, that's a good enough time to push, and that'll kick off the integration tests. Now, kubectl. Well, looks like I am connected to a Kubernetes cluster. So maybe this will work. Resource managers, Kubernetes, integration tests. There's a README. Am I running Minikube? Minikube. It does not look like. Oh, I am, probably. Okay. I don't. Yes. So I'm gonna run dev run integration tests, namespace Spark integration tests, service Spark ITC. kubectl get namespace. Okay, looks like that should actually still be active. Do I have a log 7 inside of here? I do. Okay. Let's go ahead and run this with logs 9. So that's great. We'll see if it does the trick. Oh damn it! It's gonna do the build with Maven. Okay, well, that's fine. Oh, let's just build it a second time for good measure. I'm gonna exit the SPT build because running those side by side can get us into kind of a awkward place. So that's gonna take a minute, but the meantime, what I want to do is make sure that we've kicked off our build in the CI system, which is where we were doing this, I think. Okay, I don't remember which one of these, like 600 GitHubs are my own, so we'll go here. Super happy fun times. Super happy fun times. Okay. Then we're going to go over here. And yeah. Okay, cool. Looks like it has kicked off a test build. So that's good. Let's say thanks to Shane for that, catching that, because I wasn't going to catch that. Or more accurately, I wasn't. I don't know. We did catch the issue. We just didn't, have a chance to fix it. So I just got frustrated with it. Okay, cool. Ooh. Ooh. No, this build takes a lot. Okay, cool. Okay, so it's building the Docker files, so it's building the containers. It's got the entry points, it's tagged it. It's going to build it again for Python. Then we're going to skip building the R1 because the R1 doesn't work in CI for a reason that I don't. I remember we found it last time I was working on this, but it wasn't really all that entertaining. And I don't use R, so I'm kind of out of my purview. Okay, so this is woof. Okay, now I remember why we had all of those other tests commented out. This is going to give us a lot of different sort of jobs. We're going to run them. Hopefully we'll make some progress. Cool. Close to end. These are the exec pods. That looks entirely reasonable. So that's good. That's what we would want to see. It's deleted that pod. Also lovely. That's, I think, what I want it to do. Yeah, okay, let's go back and refresh ourselves on what the hell the Kubernetes suite test does during the decommissioning test. Okay, so if it's decommissioning and we only have one exec pod and we're adding the pod, what we do is we wait for the pod to become okay. And then once the pod is okay, we sleep for some period of time, and then we kill the pod. And we do this so that the job has a chance to run, but then we can also have the pod decommissioned. And then later, the action deleted thing as expected. And so hopefully that'll do the trick, although it does take a while to run these tests. And that's probably why I had most of them commented out, because I really didn't care about most of the other ones. So, whoops. Okay, we're going to go ahead and just run decommission. Okay, cool. And so that should give us sort of a minimal set. I'm actually gonna, just while we're here, I think this would make sense to go like this. Just because that's all of the non-tests, and then we have our tests. Right now we're only gonna do one of the tests, but this way it's a little bit more consistently organized. Cool. Let's go ahead and run that. Because I don't... Okay, so let's delete logs star and start over at logs 0. Okay, cool. That's looking good. Even if we don't get the test passing, we have done the the important part. We've updated the tests to run again in CI, which is good because we were blocked by this previous issue, which Shane fixed. And okay, it's failing the rat tests. Which file is failing the rat tests? Decom.sh. Okay, so I added a new file, and that's cool. But it looks like I forgot to put the required header at the start of it. Yeah, so reread from disk. Oh yeah, this is more for debugging. But yeah, we definitely need to put the ASF header in there. So we'll go ahead and do this. Even though this is for debugging, and we'll probably end up taking this out. We'll put the ASF header in there. Okay. So don't want to commit this one though, because this is just like some local stuff. But we do want to commit this one. So this is the thing that'll fix it, so that it can pass the rat tests. And the rat tests just validate that we have the correct license headers everywhere. And so that's why it's, of course, in here. To decom script, even though it's probably, actually, we'll clean it up later, but something like it will actually probably end up surviving. So we're going to go ahead and do a git push there, and that's exciting. No, actually, cool. So there we go. We've got the test running locally. Okay, cool. So that's what we wanted. And now since we're only running one test, hopefully it'll be simpler for us to track down what's going on with everything. Okay, cool. So the application did not complete. Yeah, that's more or less what we were expecting. So we do have this adding the decommissioning script to the lifecycle, building the container. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm remembering now. Interesting. So we do have this. Disabling executor 1, executor lost. So it does remove the executor. And then let's take a look at this container. Here, actually, let's go ahead. Let's take a look at this inside of the log0 file, because on an Emacs I can poke around at it a little bit easier. Kubernetes integration tests. Okay, log0. Let's go ahead. Decom.sh. Okay, opt decom.sh. Yeah, this is more or less what we would expect, I guess. So this has the pre-stop handler, with an exec action, command opt decom.sh. Is it? Oh yeah. Okay, yes. Okay, src main docker file. Spark. Spark. Resort. Fucking hell. Kubernetes. Docker. That does look like it's executable. Yeah, that is well executable. So my first thought was that maybe this wasn't executable, and that was the source of my sadness, that this just wasn't getting run there, but it looks like that's not the case. But we can go ahead, we can run this again, and we're going to do is kubectl get pods -- namespace -w. So that's the namespace, and then what we can do as well is we can go ahead and we can go kubectl get pod namespace. Can I do it this way? Get pod. Cool. Yeah, I think that's fine. And so this will give us the pod name. We can do that. Oh, right. And then I'll want to see it in YAML. So then let's go ahead, run that, and it'll spin up a pod. We'll get the exec pod. We'll look at the description, and we'll make sure that the exec pod does have the pointer to the decommissioning script. And then if it doesn't, we'll now that we need to debug that, and if it does have the pointer to the decommissioning script, then I don't know, whatever. We'll try and debug something else. Okay, so this is going to take a minute though, because it's doing a build. I don't think it does a clean build, thankfully. If it did, this would, be old in our teeth. But oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry. Pardon me. Oof. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's good. Okay. Running the Spark job, we should see this. So this is the test app. This is our executor. This is going to be the one that we kill. So does it have the decom script in here? It does. Lovely. I guess we can go ahead and do logs. So that, yeah, okay. And then if I do -p. Oh. Weird. So so it does get terminated. Which is what we would expect, but it doesn't appear to keeps I don't know. Check decom. Okay, cool. I guess we'll go ahead and run that again because I didn't do what I wanted. We'll try and just manually run the decom script, I guess, inside one of the pods and see what happens. Maybe that'll give us sort of an idea of what's going on. Because if the decom script, when we run the decom script, nothing happens, then we know that's not doing the trick. And if on the other hand we run the decom script and everything happens, right, then we know the decom script isn't getting triggered the way we thought it would. So yeah, that's a plan to debug it. It's not a perfect plan, but it's a plan. Cool. Okay, cool. We're gonna do it inside of this one, actually. Yep. Cool. Oh yeah. Bin bash. Cool. Opt decom.sh. Okay, cool. Oh, it looks like weight PID might be the cause of my problems. What? Ooh. Okay. That's weird. Weight PID command not found. Okay. Well, let's go figure that out. Okay. Weight PID command not found. Bash. Wait. Oh, is it just? Wait. Oh. It's weight, and it's weight PID if I'm writing a C program. Okay. Cool. That's great. If that's the problem, then narrowed it down pretty fast. All things considered. Cool. This is going to take a second or two before it fails, mind you. Oh, pardon me. Yep. Interesting. Cool. Yeah, decommissioning executor. That didn't happen. Okay. Yeah, executor loss number 2. Okay, well, run it again. Oh, yeah. Bump that to logs 2. Diff. We can go ahead and weight PID is the syscall. Weight is the bash. Weight is the shop command. I think. Actually, let's. Oh shit! Not what I wanted. Yeah. Okay. And then the problem is I did git commit AM, which means it also included this other. It included my changes that I've been using to speed up our debugging, which I don't want committed right now. So that does the trick. Or I mean, that could do the trick. Oh, cool. I guess that got sort of ahead of me. And this one. Opt decom.sh. Okay, cool. Yeah. Cool. That's not working out so good. Interesting though. It does kill it. Okay, so okay, I got you. So let's go take a look at this. Not this script. So we go ahead, we run decom.sh, that goes high, starting decom adventures, decom adventure log state, course grain executor backend. That's not successfully extracting the worker PID. Yes. Okay. So let's. Although, interestingly enough, we do send a sig power. And then we wait. We exit immediately. Well, we don't exit immediately. Echo date. Cat. I'm slightly confused. This part clearly does not work. I need to add some sed magic to it because my my shell scripting is not so good. Okay. So, but that being said, you know, I think we don't actually need this. I think we can get away with. That's weird. Did sleep 30 not execute? It's weird. Very weird. Okay, date. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we can't wait on a non-child shell. Yeah, we're not. Bash. Okay. Bash. Wait for process to finish. It's not a sub-process though. I want to wait for a process to finish. There we go. Interesting. Huh. Well, yes, I don't want. Well, yes, BSD and Solaris is not what I have. Yeah. Huh. Well, this looks pretty close to what I want. So, okay. So waiting for worker PID to exit. So we do kind of want the worker PID. So let's go ahead and try and fix this. And I'm going to get rid of this because I think it's muddying the waters a little bit. So, okay. Let's go here. Bash extract process ID PS. Let's see. It says, ooh. Wait, pgrep. Ooh, no, I want the. Oh yeah. Shell scripting is not the most fun in the world, but that's all right. Hey girl. Okay, Carolyn's home. This is a good stopping point. We've updated the PR so it can run again in Jenkins. Okay, to hold in fix this PID extraction. And we know that it's kind of working. There's probably a problem in our decom script. So we're going to go ahead and try and fix that. And then after that, things are a little bit up in the air. Ooh, actually, entry point.sh. I'm going to go ahead and cat dev termination log. Okay. Yep. Finished. Finished. Termination log. Print out the termination log as we exit. And that's just because computers are annoying. So what are we going to do here? Over here, yeah, okay, git diff. So git add, doot. Start cleaning up the decom script. To do fix the PID extraction. Okay, and then over here, print out the termination log. Okay. whatever. That's a good stopping point. Thanks for joining me. I will be doing some more live streaming tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. updating Kubeflow Multi-Cloud Workshop to 0.5. And then the following day around 10:30 a.m. as well, I'll also be doing some glitch test programming work. So thanks for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful week.